Join me as I'm trying to give you the game-changing tips to land into this great industry called HVAC. Some of the strategies, some of the knowledge enhancement skills which I'm going to talk to you about how do we land into this industry and how do we excel, grow. It is not just landing and staying there, but running fast, enhancing, growing into this important HVAC industry. Before you land into this industry, you need to first understand what is HVAC. We need to, it can be tough to break it down because HVAC has got so much of components. In the definition itself, it is heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration. We need to understand how it works, what are the systems and components, right? And which role you can play in building the systems, because HVAC is not a product. It's not like selling a chocolate. It's a system. It's an experience which we give as an engineers, right? So if you really want to give that great experience, you must understand what is HVAC, how it works, and how can we innovate, how can we make better, so that the experience to the end user, the stakeholder is better. And this is where HVAC comes into picture. HVAC adds energy into the building. So if you want to really work on, probably in India, the colleges do not talk specifically on HVAC. Mostly thermodynamics is being taught, but get hang on it. There are good institutes, there are good platforms like ISHRE, which gives a lot of knowledge on HVAC system, the practical knowledge, because theoretical and practical there will be little difference. Go onto this platform, get some certifications done, add some knowledge before you land into this. Otherwise, you will be like, burning in the boiler all the time. So improve that, and most important thing when you start, improve your soft skills, right? Which area you want to get into, whether HVAC sales, which is a technical sale, you want to get into design, you want to get into the execution, you want to get into testing and commissioning, you want to get into safety, you want to get into quality. There are a lot of, or you want to get into planning. There are a lot of options available. So get your behavioral aspect checks and then decide whichever we want to go. Just land into a department and or a section and then start thinking about why I have come here. If you want to really work on that, join a lot of groups which are available on social media. The industry forums are available. There are LinkedIn platforms which are available. You can get connected to a lot of things. People can mentor you. Some experts can give you tips, right? And you can stay updated about what is happening in this industry. You can also start working on online, show your online presence. People can track you, people can see you on what activities you're doing, right? Some blogs, do some innovating things, share your experience about HVAC, right? And what you feel about it, start getting visible onto this online platform. That is another way of learning into this industry. In the process, if you get a good opportunity, apply. And when you apply, your resume has to tell what is your worth. Not in number of words, in short, crisp words, what is your worth, what are your strengths. And the resume building is another important aspect. You can also use a lot of professionals who can help you in building the resume, but your strength, your passion has to be seen in the resume with minimum words. People don't read entire resume. They only look at the critical aspects and they decide. And when you are selected for an interview, if you're a young person, your confidence shows, your understanding shows, your preparation shows, your demonstration of behavior shows about whether you are worth in getting into that company or not. So right from the dressing, right from the handshakes, right from your body composure, right, your use of words, the tones, your confidence, and most importantly, the understanding of which is sector understanding of that company, which will help you to crack the interview. And once you land there, it is just a starting phase. It all depends on your ability to take challenges, your ability to do not listen to the many peers who will be talking, don't go, don't take that risk. Ability to take risk, take higher risk, and showing the presence in the first year itself that you are worth, you are a big horse, you are a great horse, people can rely on you. And there are so many people who are relying on you. Your company, your boss is one aspect, your vendors, your contractors, your own workmen who are working with you, the end users, the architects, the consultants, the project management consultants, a lot of people you are working with, and they are watching you, and you are getting noticed. Don't hear the negative aspect from your peers or your supervisors or whoever. Always think, always remain focused on your whole objective of growth, and that is very important. A lot of people will come and talk negative about it, but blind eye to those, and it is very important to remain focused. Go ahead, take challenges. You will make mistakes, but we need to learn mistakes. We don't have to repeat the same mistake. Learning from mistake is one of the important aspects. These are some of the aspects which I want to talk about. If you want to get into this dream job of HVAC, you can connect, you can comment and spread this to your contacts, your groups. If you need any such videos of topics, please let me know. I will work on. I can be your guide, I can be your mentor. Thank you so much.